Okay, guys, so today we get to talk about Joe Biden, our president. Wow, so he was first our vice president when Obama was in presidency, and now he's our vice. So we know that he's gonna give us about the same vibes that Obama gave us, which is cool. That's good to know. Okay, so that's a blessing. Hopefully he wasn't too adverse to what he was saying, to how he stood for us with the whole Obamacare and stuff. But we'll see. Okay? And we don't even know if he's going to make it because of whatever's going on with Trump thinking or lawsuits and stuff. But whatever. I'm sure he's going to be fine. I'm sure he's going to make it through. Okay? So, speaking of Joe, his sun sign is a Scorpio. His moon is in Taurus. Mercury is Scorpio, and Venus, Taurus, Mars is Scorpio. So, well, we all know about the sun. Sun is how you're going to be. So, he's got a watery Scorpio sign for his sun. Now, people keep saying crap about him, like he's senile or something weird, but I think he has to be a pretty goddamn good person to be able to present himself amongst humans to elect him. So I'm pretty sure that we are going to be in a good situation with him. Speaking from his sun sign, which is mine also. I'm doing my best for you guys. I'm sure he's going to do the best for us too. Okay? And his moon is in Taurus, which is also a very caring sign. And I'm sure that nurturing energy is going to vibrate through us also. So when he hears about stuff that he can do for society as a whole, I'm sure he's going to take advantage of those things that he can do, and he's going to help us. My opinion. Okay. I think he's going to be really good president, especially because he has so much water and earth in his chart. And I think that makes you more rounded and loving person. I don't have a lot of water and earth in my chart, but I do care. I'm obviously not going to run for president. I'm not going to do something that's going to make me super out there to help people because I don't care that much. I care enough to try to provide wisdom, to try to provide light and love. That's what I care enough to do. I care enough to try to share love and light with everyone. Not about me. So his Mercury is in Scorpio, which means that when communicating, he's going to be very loving. And when he feels like he needs to, he's going to be very distant. But he's going to be able to help us to understand things that I'm sure we probably won't want to understand, but it's going to be a blessing in the long run to understand what he's going to tell us. Because Scorpio has a tendency to bring darkness to light. So we get to wait for that, and we get to see that darkness to light vibe come out of him. When he's doing interviews and when he's on the podium and stuff, he's going to bring darkness to light. And he's not going to be afraid of it. He's just going to communicate it bluntly. And that's what we need. I feel like as a society, we need someone to speak to us bluntly. Because a lot of us, we don't pay attention. But if someone in power is speaking and they're being blunt, I'm pretty sure everyone is going to change their perspective a little bit. And that's going to be a good thing. So people are going to go more inward, hopefully. His Venus is also in Scorpio. Once again, he's going to make us go deep, inward. So through him going inward with himself, through Venus in Scorpio, he's going to express that inward vision towards us through his Mercury. So we're going to see this whole transformation of him and our government. And it's going to be beautiful. And it's going to be exciting. I'm pretty grateful. Because believe it or not, before he even got into presidency, I was talking about how relevant and how awesome it would be to have someone that has a lot of feminine energy in their chart in presidency. And lo and behold, here we are. It's pretty awesome. Okay, his Mars is in Scorpio. So expressing passion is going to be effortless, but he's going to also be able to project that passion towards wherever it needs to be going. As opposed to Aries, we just project passion everywhere. Scorpio is going to have a fixed passion, and it's going to be more empowered, and that's what we need, man. Okay. Also, so Jupiter in Cancer means that he's going to be nurturing. He's going to love on us with all his political opinions and stuff, so that he can get that energy back to himself. I'm sure that him being so old, he understands the fact that for him to be able to get that vibe for himself, he gets to express emotions towards others. Jazz has the same Jupiter Cancer aspect, and that's how she does it. So I'm pretty sure that Joe Biden understands what he's doing with his personality and the way he speaks. So that's definitely positive for sure. He's gonna definitely love on us as Americans. America. Anyways, so next we have his Saturn, which is what in Gemini, brah. Okay, anyways, but yeah, so Gemini represents communicator. Gemini is a little messy, but it's still a great communicator. It's a communicator that is never gonna really let you down. If you need something done, if you need to speak, if you need communication, if you need someone to talk to, they're always right there. They might not be supportive, but they'll help you get your ends to your means. Okay? So he's good communicator. And he's going to communicate for us. He's going to be that voice for us, the Americans. Right. So that's definitely a plus sign. Definitely nothing to worry about with communicating our differences or our needs or our focuses or our hopes or our dreams and stuff. We're going to have that taken care of. And we are going to cut this video now. And I just want to thank you guys so much for being so inspiring and so uplifting. And I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. And thank you and blessings.